the Ontario Skills Cardboard Boat Race competition here in London, Ontario. Teams of 4 from high schools all over the region are here today to construct a cardboard boat from the tools provided that must be able to survive a number of challenges in the pool. They must plan, design, and construct their boat in only 2 hours.
We've been actually working on this for a few days. We're actually in a carpentry class together, so it's our carpentry teacher that decided to get us into this. So he decided to pull up this little model for us, and we've been working on it for a few days. Yeah, it's coming on really well. This is exactly how it's supposed to look, which is good. And we're working well. I think we got a few minutes left, so.
Once they are done their construction, they then bring their boats to the water for some super fun competition.